Welcome to Radix Accounting. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can authorize Radix Accounting on your personal CRA account as an authorized representative. To complete this process, you need our group ID. If you do not have this, please call us at 204-795-4485. Let's start this tutorial. First, log into your CRA account. Then click on Profile link on left side. On Profile page, scroll down and look for Authorized Representative section. Once you see Authorized Representative section, please click on Add link. To start the authorization process, please click on Start button. At first step, please enter our group ID. If you don't have our ID, please call us at 204-795-4485. Enter our group ID and click Search. Once system shows our information, click Next for Step 2. Now select Level 2. Click Yes for online access. And click on Does not expire. Then click Next. Make sure you selected the options shown on this page. Now click Next. Now verify the details on this page. Select the confirmation box to confirm that you are providing your consent and authorization. And then click on Submit button. Congratulations! You have successfully authorized us to be your representative. If you have any questions or need help, you can call us at 204-795-4485. For more tutorials, please subscribe us on YouTube.